Hello and welcome to Palatable Platter. This is Suparna and today I'll be introducing you to one of my favorite recipes, which is Muhammara. Muhammara is a Middle Eastern dip which is creamy, sweet, spicy and savory. I literally use it with everything, be it my breakfast, lunch or dinner. It has become a constant on my table. And once you try it, I bet you won't stop eating it. It's a super simple recipe to make, so let's just dive into it. So these are all the ingredients that we need. Red bell peppers, walnuts, pomegranate juice, breadcrumbs, olive oil, cumin powder, 2 garlic cloves and some salt to taste. Now I'm going to apply some olive oil onto the red bell peppers. Now these are ready to go in the oven. I'm going to bake these at 350 Fahrenheit for 45 to 50 minutes or until the skin is blackened. While the red peppers are getting ready in the oven, I'm going to go ahead and saute some breadcrumbs and walnuts. Now I'm going to go ahead and add some olive oil in the pan. Let's add some breadcrumbs and then some walnuts. I'm going to saute it for some time, for 2 to 3 minutes. Now I have sauteed the walnuts and the breadcrumbs and I'm going to keep it aside for 15 to 20 minutes or until it cools down. As you can see now, the peppers are done. The skin has also turned black and a little burnt. Now I'm going to cover these peppers in the same aluminium foil and keep it aside for 15 minutes so that it's evenly cooked. Now let's open the foil. Now I'm going to peel off the skin from the peppers. You can do it with your hand or with a fork. I'm going to take out the stem, also take out the seeds. As you can see, I have peeled off the skin. Now I'm going to remove the seeds. There's some excess water in here, you can just throw it off. Now as you can see, I have peeled off the skin, removed the seeds and the stem, and now I'm going to go ahead and roughly chop these red bell peppers. Now let's toss in all the ingredients into the blender. If you have a food processor or a grinder, that would work as well. Some cumin powder, 2 cloves of garlic and the roasted walnuts and breadcrumbs. And now let's add some salt at the end. Our Muhammara is ready. I'm going to have it with some pita chips. You go ahead and try this recipe and let me know how that goes in the comment section. Don't forget to like and share our video and subscribe to my channel to never miss our new recipes. Also follow me on Instagram at Palatable Platter. See you next week.